Hi there, students. Corporeal. Corporeal. This is an adjective. This we use in two ways. Firstly, corporeal, tangible, real, physical, as opposed to something that is ethereal or spiritual or intangible. So the doctor deals with our corporeal needs, and the priest deals with our spiritual needs. Or maybe the doctor deals with corporeal infirmity, and the priest deals with spiritual infirmity. So corporeal, real, something that you can touch, something that is physical and not spiritual. But then also corporeal, related to the body. Something that is of the body. We've got the noun corporeality. Corporeality talks about the fact of existing as a body. So a god can be a spirit, but a god could take human form, and that would be corporeality. And if a god takes a human form, this corporeality means that perhaps the physical body could be killed. Corporeal, belonging to the body, of material nature. So we need corporeal evidence of his guilt, tangible, something that is real, something that you can touch. Corporeal property, that this is something that you actually have, something that is physical, something of a physical nature. It has physical form, it has substance. Something that is created, something that is made, is necessarily corporeal and visible and tangible. Yes, it's something that you can touch. Or corporeal, a corporeal defect, corporeal suffering, of the body, of the physical world. Descartes said that there are two kinds of substance in this world, mental and corporeal. So corporeal, physical, something that you can touch, something that is flesh, something that is concrete and material, something that occupies space and can be perceived by your senses. That's what makes something corporeal. Yeah, it's tangible, it's physical, it's a real thing. So corporeal, related to a person's body as opposed to their spirit. So he was very direct about his corporeal desires and his corporeal appetites, and that included food and members of the opposite sex and things like that. But corporeal as well, having a body, a corporeal god. And then in law, material objects. So in Scotland, goods include all corporeal movables except for money. So corporeal. The law governing the transfer of corporeal property. So perhaps he's talking about something spiritual, something that we can't even imagine, a non-corporeal existence. Corporeal, food is corporeal. It's something that is real, is tangible. A ghost is not corporeal. Your hand goes straight through the ghost, where something corporeal, it would stop and you could touch it. So yeah, when your teacher catches you daydreaming, oi, oi, I want your mental concentration, not just your corporeal presence. Yeah, so corporeal presence, the fact that your body is there. So characteristic of the body, not the mind or the spirit. Corporeal is something that has a physical form. It exists. The physical body. So yeah, when you need to eat, this is a corporeal need. Okay, it's material. It's something with a body. It's not something mental, something that can be touched. It's physical rather than spiritual. Yeah. So I think working at home, working through the internet is a really good thing, and I don't think companies really need your corporeal presence in the office. Although I think your boss would like your corporeal presence in the office to show how important he is. He can make you come. So something that is real, something that you can touch. Something that has a real existence. It's related to the physical world. Yeah, it has substance. It's not just something imaginary. It's bodily. Something that has flesh. He's religious, and the corporeal world has little interest for him. The ideas presented are tangible and corporeal, and that's the way to get people to understand things. Things need to be tangible and corporeal. So formality, corporeal. 6.5 informality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something more formal. 6.5, maybe even a 7. And let's see, as to origin, okay, this comes from corporeus in Latin, of the body, related to the body. So corporeal. Bye for now.